Fuck recipes. You're a better cook than you think. Today we're gonna make chicken taste better. One of the viewers asked, how do I make chicken taste better? So here's my answer. Fastest highway to better tasting meats or veg. Spice mix. Any spice mix. The one that's in your cupboard is the best one, but you can go Baharat, Ras Al Hanout, some Mexican taco seasoning, whatever combination of spices you want to put together, a little cumin, coriander, turmeric. Point is here, spices are gonna make anything taste better. I'm going cumin, coriander, and annatto just makes it go bright red, looks cool. Fat, butter, olive oil, whatever you got going on. Duck fat, I would just go butter in this case. Butter helps move flavor. It's gonna take those spices, move them around the dish. Little heat, always good. I'm gonna go with a little fresh chili. Acid, always gotta have an acid component. It's gonna really wake up any dish. Lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar, whatever you got. I'm going fresh lime juice. Herbs, I'm using Thai basil because I made another dish with Thai basil. Use basil, use coriander, use parsley, whatever you got. Fresh herbs though will make a big difference. Salt, I'm going sea salt. Okay, a couple technique things. I like to sear the chicken and then finish it in the oven. It could be like 350, 400 degree oven. Just whack it in there till it's cooked through. It's a nice way to finish it. Baste it with butter. Generally speaking, if you add 3 or 4 or all of these elements, this is gonna taste good. Last thing, little crunch. I'm gonna add a couple peanuts over the top. Don't have to add this, I just like it. Just adds a little other dimension. Let's make it. Why do you think buffalo chicken's so good? A little acidity from the vinegar, a little spice, a little fat from your ranch dip. It's all the same elements, a little crunch from the fry. You can do that stuff at home. Think about a buffalo chicken sandwich when you make this. Go for it.